In a rare and stern punishment, the Supreme Court has ordered demotion of an Andhra Pradesh deputy collector to the post of Tehsildar for disobeying the directions of the High Court and forcibly demolishing slum dwellers' huts in Guntur district over a decade ago. The background of this case is important. In 2013, slum dwellers in Guntur district approached the High Court against threats of eviction. The court had passed protective orders asking the revenue authorities not to disturb the possession of slum dwellers while their application for house site pattas were being considered. Despite this, the officer here, who was then serving as a tehsildar, went ahead and demolished their homes, bringing a fleet of nearly 90 police personnel. The High Court later found this to be willful violation and sentenced him to 2 months simple imprisonment. The officer appealed to the Supreme Court, but his argument that the people removed were recent encroachers and not the original petitioners failed to convince the court. The top court, in its judgment delivered by a bench of Justices B.R. Gawai and A.G. Masih, has upheld his conviction for contempt of court. However, instead of confirming the 2 month jail sentence imposed by the High Court, the Apex Court took a more balanced approach. The court noted that while the officer did not deserve any leniency due to his adamant and callous attitude, his family's livelihood should not be jeopardized because of his actions. Justice Gawai observed that if the officer were jailed, he would be dismissed from service, severely impacting his wife and the school-going children. Therefore, the court opted to demote him one rank down, that is to the post of Tehsildar, and also imposed a fine of 1 lakh to be paid within 4 weeks. Initially, the officer had refused to accept the demotion proposal, insisting that he had done nothing wrong. But the court, displeased with his arrogance, warned that if he did not relent, it would not just uphold his jail term, but also make sure he was not reinstated. Only after this did the petitioner accept the punishment of demotion. The court further underlined the gravity of the contempt, stating that disobedience of court orders, especially by senior public officers, strikes at the very foundation of the rule of law on which the democracy stands.